Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the COWSAR Ice Maker is significantly more expensive at $679 United States dollars, while the Countertop Ice Maker is priced at just $69 United States dollars. This stark difference raises questions about the value each product offers. Is the higher price of the COWSAR justified by its features, or does the more affordable option provide sufficient functionality for casual users? Let's find out. Both machines boast impressive ice production times, with the COWSAR Ice Maker producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Countertop Ice Maker produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This slight edge in production speed could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize quick ice availability. However, how do they compare in terms of daily output and overall efficiency? Let's explore further. The COWSAR Ice Maker comes equipped with a self-cleaning feature, making maintenance a breeze for users who want to keep their appliance in top condition. On the other hand, the Countertop Ice Maker emphasizes portability and energy-saving capabilities, making it an excellent choice for those who plan to use it for parties or travel. Each product has its unique advantages, catering to different user needs and preferences. In conclusion, both the COWSAR Ice Maker and the Countertop Ice Maker offer unique features and benefits. The COWSAR may be ideal for those seeking advanced functionalities like self-cleaning, while the Countertop Ice Maker provides a budget-friendly and portable option. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.